Spring rolls. Huh. To make the best spring rolls, it always starts with fresh ingredients. This is my rice paper printer. It only takes a few grains of rice and a few seconds to make, and boom, you got fresh hot rice paper. This is the white version. It also makes black rice paper. You just use black rice, hit start, and boom, fresh hot black rice paper. You probably should have put more rice. Some chicken in a pan with leftover food grease, lettuce, carrot, cucumber. Bro, I'm telling you, you won't like this stuff. I don't have any rice noodles, so I'm just gonna use some wheat noodles. Go ahead and microboil these for like 2 minutes. Perfect. Dip your rice paper in water, rice side up. Some lettuce, some carrot, some cucumber, some noodles. What are you doing with that noodle? Some chicken. And these rice papers are really small, so I'm just gonna do my best to roll it up. Perfect. It's kind of struggling, so I'm gonna support it with some lettuce. And the peanut sauce takes too long, so I'm just gonna use some peanut butter. Taste test. Yum.